Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tac. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to join a friend's game without an invite on your Xbox Series X. So this is easy to do. Press the Xbox button, open up the side menu here, and then tab on over to People. Then you can go to your friend's profile. Otherwise you can go on down to where it says Happening Now. You'll see joinable sessions on here. So you can see everyone who's playing and their session is joinable. So it all says it by their name. So this person playing Fortnite, it's joinable. Call of Duty, joinable. The one-man army right here, joinable. So we can just select their name out. So let's do that. And then here is their profile here. But it says ask to join, or you can just try to join the game. But you can also go to this right here on the top, Friends and Games, under Friends. And you can see who's playing each game. So we can go to their name now. And then we can go to where it says join, and we should have the option to join their game. But sometimes we'll say ask to join if they have like you need to be invited to the party or something like that. So some people do have a little bit more closed off privacy settings, but some people you can just go to join, and you can just go to join game right here. So just look at that as an option. A lot of times in some games you'll be able to just join it right away. So this person playing Call of Duty, I can just join. But look at that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tac.